take my glasses or my sunglasses off. There. One of the things that I wanted to show you, because I don't think I've shown you yet, and forgive me, and you can pass by this part if I have already shown you or told you about it. But as you know, when Jake passed, I definitely got his ashes, and they're in the most beautiful box, and I wanted to show you that. So I put them right up there. Oh wait, wrong way. So there's Jake's ashes, and this is where a photo goes, and I just haven't had time to get the photo yet. Or actually, I went to Walmart yesterday to do one, but their thing was down, so I couldn't do an instant photograph. I couldn't even put one on their system to do it. But anyhow, that's where Jakey's ashes are. And something else that I really loved that was with this package was Jake's footprint. And that is now mounted up on my kitchen cabinet, and it brings me love and comfort every day. Isn't that neat? Have you ever seen them do that? I'm just like so impressed. Well, and look at this. My van, which is now Jake, is all clean and pretty. Every day when I get up, I have to clean up. I always make my bed just because that's how I am. I feel messy and I feel all razzled when my van's a mess or my bed's not made. So, yep, my bed's made. If you like my curtains, I did a video hack for your bedroom, so check that video out. A lot of people really liked my curtains, and so I want you to know if you haven't seen it, and if you're new here, check out my hack on bedroom. It's a bedroom hack you'll want. And if you go to my playlist, I have everything organized on my playlist by the type of video. So I do have on the playlist a section on the list is hacks, and I have on there a day in my life, just all sorts of different things. Jake had his own section also, and if you like, you can go back and see my Jakey on there. Okay, well, I've got to now go to the next thing, and that's getting gas. So let's go to the gas station. Didn't that just turn out beautiful? That's my absolute favorite picture of Jake. I miss him so much. Okay, I'm going to stop before I get emotional, but I wanted to share that with you guys. I know you wanted. I'm sure some of you had wondered how his ashes came out and all. So there you go. It's my baby. And he's right above my bed, which is a mess because I'm staying at my daughter's house right now. I've been here since Tuesday, and I was dog sitting for Bear. And then they came home and we had Christmas the day after Christmas. Actually, so today's 2 days after Christmas because that was yesterday.